That Trident was running the Raven Viper 4 with a VSN and an RS1 receiver. The VSN on that system was camera only guidance, so we were running down the rows using the camera for our steering completely. Calibrated it for 30-inch rows there, and then it knows it's looking at a few different rows at once, and it knows where the tire is behind it, and it just tracks it. It's going off of color mostly, so you got green against brown. The operators even will admit that it does better than they can, and for an operator to admit that, that's pretty good. We do have to do an infield calibration initially, but once we get it calibrated and set, nothing they have to do. That Trident was also running the new Raven XRT auto boom. That is a radar sensor versus our old Ultra Glide system, which uses an ultrasonic sensor. The advantage of the radar sensor, it can actually detect crop height and ground height, so we can measure off either one of those. You get to a dead spot, it's going to hold that boom there because it knows where the ground is. But then as soon as crop comes back, we're going to go back to crop height. It's using potentiometers, so it knows where the boom is. So it has a lot more control. It can actually move it faster, and it's a lot more steady. If we're going over a hill, it knows that, and it can actually predict what it should do with the boom to keep it stable. Everything's getting a lot more integrated. Everything's starting to talk. VSN definitely is going to gain you efficiency.